Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees.
Turn around and bend.
Caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
Come get some eggs to grandfather.
Come, then we fight to no come.
Come now, fight.
Come, Mary, because I must think I do.
Come, Mary.
Because we are no. Come. Oh, no fight.
The one that you want to put in this. Come, mad people. Anyway, we're leaving Dunn's Road. Margaret, she walks through them for about 8 minutes. She walks so bad. Alright, so guys, we are now at the parking lot. We're gonna try to go get something to eat, right? This was a good experience, but this going anywhere on a holiday weekend is like super. This is ram, guys, ram packed. But it was too much crowd. But it was good. So anyhow, we're gonna get something to eat. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Peace. I'm the nearest chicken place.
KFC no go.
Where?
KFC.
KFC always ram.
KFC spaces.
No man, no I'm gonna KFC.
Which one are you going? No, KFC food.
We're gonna look food quick
And go.
and head back. So I see all the town traffic there. Go slow. So we stopped at the roadside jerk center. Alright, so the roadside jerk center, it looks closed, but we're gonna check out what type of food they have or what kind of jerk we can get. Right, so yeah. It says Dunn's River Jerk Center. How much? It's pretty. Oh, it's nice. Sitting in the restaurant. Sitting in Dunn's River restaurant. Sitting and waiting for our food. And then we're gonna head home.
They're unplugged. These are applied.
I'm with it. I'm at Dunn's River restaurant. Alright, I'm at the plum tree. Ladies here to take our order. Get it on camera. You have to hold it for me. Okay. So we're about to get our food. We're taking our order and all of that. And yeah.
Yeah, about my auntie, she's a bit cray-cray. Her smiles. I really like them. So sorry. Everybody, let's go.
Okay, so while we're waiting on our food, let's talk a bit about this restaurant. So this restaurant is called Dunn's River Jerk Center, and it's by the road from Dunn's River, and the entire exterior is made out of board and zinc, as you guys can see. And yeah, it looks very aesthetic and everything. If you come here, entire board thing, it's very nice and relaxing, and the breeze is coming in. Yes, it's a nice little spot, so we can stop by. I don't know what the food tastes like yet because we haven't gotten our food yet. So when the food comes, I'll tell you if the food or the jerk chicken that we order, if it's worth it. But so far, it's a nice little spot to stop by and get some food when you're in Ocherius or when you're by Dunn's River Park. So the food is here. Let's check it out. The box say thank you. Chicken is a little bit, but yeah, chicken look a bit.
But it tastes a lot more.
But let's try it. Yeah, let's try.
The Omega Ocean, make one of them come to feed her. Ariana. Come eat, Ari. I want to get the juice in. Ari?
Yeah, it's coming.
No, I'll get Ari. And then put me in the oxygen pot one on. So you get like
Yeah, fine. Hold on. Try it.
can't change out. What do you want to do? Fart.
What the fuck, Shankar?